Good morning everyone, my name is Piyush from Standard 6A and this is my team Fifth. This is Sandhya and Ananya. Today we learned about separation insoluble solid from a liquid. My topic is sedimentation.
My topic is decantation.
And my topic is filtration.
Sedimentation is one of the processes through which we can remove heavier impurities present in the solution. Let us start an experiment about sedimentation. Mix in the water. You can see the heavier impurity present in the solution is stand in this layer known as sediments.
Decantation. Decantation is a careful pouring of liquid from the upper layer of and the solid particles leaving and the liquid behind. I have a glass of water and sand mixture. Then I am pouring it carefully. As you can see that the solid particles are different from each other.
Filtration is the process to filter medium is used to separate insoluble impurities from the liquid or the gaseous mixture. For example, I have taken a glass of water and added some paper piece in it. Now I will take a tea strainer and strain out all the water. As you can see, the water is strained out from the water and the paper pieces are collected in the tea strainer. Thank you.